What's this in the corner? What's this here?
Oh, look at that. Nathan, Tristan.
Look at this. It's a Christmas tree. Look at the Christmas tree. Our tree. Our tree. That's right. What do you think?
Whoa.
What do you think? Does it look nice?
Wow, Tristan. Nathan. Ui. Das ist unser Weihnachtsbaum.
Gesundheit, Tristan. Woo, is that cool?
Whoa, is that cool? Our tree? Our tree. Can I have the camera? Our tree. Wow, is that cool? More interested in the camera.
It's got flashing lights too.
Psst. Gotta be quiet.
No.
Oh, what do you think?
Schau mal die schönen Lichter. Ja.
You have to get the humidifier. Hey?
Ja.
I can probably sit it in here in front of the can't reach it.
Wow. Schöne Lichter und die schönen Kugeln.
Oh, you felt you needed some Christmas music this morning? Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle. That's a puppy dog. That's a puppy dog. That's a big horsey. And that's a big tree.
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 Das ist unser schöner Baum. Wie der leuchtet, eh?
We just have 90 minutes of saying tree, tree.